See if we can get some little action in here. Oh, perfect timing. She got quite the setup, I must say. Thanks to me. She's a fatty. Man, I'd say since I've had her, I fed her probably about maybe 4 times. Hasn't denied food. Not one time. She's a fat ass. She got a big butt on her. It's the way I like them. Yeah, Schmoop. I do like girls with big butts. Yeah, she's got like a little den right there. I put some artificial leaves, and she dug a little burrow under them. I don't know if you can see it. See if I can. Yeah. Yeah, she loves it. Alright. Show you a quick vid. I'll update my haplopoma. I changed out his substrate and I did what John 3800 does, and I just gave him a pre-dug burrow. I got some peat moss to keep the humidity up, but as you can tell, I started webbing along the sides. He likes it. He's probably gonna start digging more. It doesn't go that deep. It's only about 3 inches deep. He was out earlier. He had he came out like he was hungry, and he's 3 days freshly molted. I know they say don't, feed him after a week, but he looked like he was hungry, and I threw a small cricket in there, what I feed my GBB, so it wasn't anything big. And he attempted it. He tried, but it just was too fast for him to jump by him, and it's hiding now in that peat moss. But it'll be a couple days probably until he gets. If he wants it, he wants. If not, it's not. I think his shell is, okay. It's not like I gave him a super worm or a big adult cricket. I mean, it's a very small cricket, like the one you just seen get taken down. And he's in there in his little den chilling. That's my pink toe. She's chilling like always. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna give my. I caught this little wolf spider outside. I was bored. I don't know if you can see it. But these things actually eat little baby crickets too. I was actually surprised. Not surprised, obviously they eat crickets, but I had them captive for not even 2 hours, and I threw a cricket in there and it took it down, no problem. Let's see if I can grab a baby cricket. Put this back. Sorry about all the movement. Let's see what we... Nice. There you go. See, the wild one has to eat too. He's fighting that one, isn't he? That's funny. Alright, guys. That's my update. Hope you guys enjoy.